Okay, Rich, this is just the simple explanation kind of what I think could really help people. This is your gorgeous website here, and then you scroll down, you get these guys, look at this guy here. And what I was thinking is down here, maybe, if there were like little 1 minute recordings that, tell a story or give your opinion about, one of these cases that people watch, so that anybody who clicks on, like anybody who listens to that, I can say to them, hey, did you listen to that opinion or that story? Yeah, and then I can get a summary, I can get the guy or the pilot to speak. So here's an example of what I mean. Now, this is a VAS Aviation. It's a compressor stall, it's a video. And there's juicy points in here, things that guys could talk about. Because sometimes, if they listen to this whole thing, it's like, what did you listen to? But right here, when he says we have a compressor stall in the right engine, right? So something like that, or if you're watching any part of this and you have an idea. And what I do is I think you can see this here, but this is the video interview I made. I put subtitles in it, right? And I'll use a phrase and a vocabulary word that I've been trying to teach, so it'll come out naturally. But I play this for them, or I send them just the audio, and then they can listen to it. And so I get two questions. One, I can say, if I send just the audio for this, I can say, well, what did you hear? What did you catch? That's one. The second thing I can say, if they didn't catch that, then I can listen to this story from a controller. And this is what would be great on your website. Something like opinions, like if I say, like we watch a video where there's a deer or a cow that goes on the runway, and you tell a story and say, well, I never really saw that, but my friend, he saw something like that, she saw something like that, and she did this, blah blah blah. That type of thing doesn't happen so often, but sometimes it happens. So a nice little 1 minute, maybe you could have 10 stories down here, or Johnny's opinion on these videos, because look at this, people people are watching. Look, this has 95,000 views. So more than a few thousand pilots around the world have watched this, but if they watch it, that's good, but what do they get out of it? It would be nice if they had something like that, or the one about, like I was telling you earlier, about an airplane hit by a laser, some little story or opinion.